This one is either barf or peach.
Barf or peach.
Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah. Welcome back, babe. You already know what time it is. It's your boy HeartAttak right here. So, I'm actually on my way to go pick up a friend who told me that she was hungry. Everything's kind of locked down, so I want grilled cheese. So what she doesn't know is I'm gonna challenge her to a grilled cheese off. So we're gonna pick her up, kidnap her to the grocery store. Yo, get your ass out here. Let's go.
Bye.
As always, before we get started, I need you to go ahead and click down below. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We gotta go up. We got a lot of crazy stuff coming up soon. I don't want you to miss it. Hello, your Uber is here. Uber. It's your Uber driver, Tyrone. Get in the car. Get to the chopper. Oh, what's up? It's your Uber.
I'm giving you 0 stars.
The Uber is an Uber for Tyrone. As we're on quarantine, obviously everything's not really kind of open, right? So I remember one time we were having a conversation about grilled cheese. We gonna have a grilled cheese off tonight.
Hooters has the best grilled cheese.
Yeah, but you can't make the best grilled cheese.
I'm just gonna eat yours.
No. So we're gonna challenge. This is the challenge. We're gonna go to the grocery store. I'm gonna let you pick all the ingredients. Then we're gonna make 2 different grilled cheeses. I have to eat yours, and you have to eat mine. You better not make.
Can you just make them all?
What? You sound lazy.
I'm so tired and hungry.
You know what? Fine.
Thanks.
But I have a challenge. So everybody that comes onto my show.
I'm the first person?
No. Now, I don't know if you ever heard of Bean Boozled. It's a jelly bean.
Yeah, I have.
So
I'll throw up.
we're playing Bean Boozled. Welcome to the heart attack zone. You look like a ninja.
I told you that.
You actually look like Minnie Mouse. Like, let's just be real.
You sound like a neighbor.
You look like safety first. That's definitely key. Go crazy. Back for another episode. You already know what it is. It's your boy HeartAttak here. You don't put the cheese down. Somebody's hungry. So let's get right into it. This is Crystal's, my friend who we picked up.
Hi guys.
The hungry one. So we went to the grocery store, picked up a bunch of different cheeses. I got the cheese.
I got the bread.
You know what I'm saying? We got the cheese. She's inept and unable to cook. Something as simple as a grilled cheese. Hence why her Postmates bill is like this. I know a lot of you guys are at home right now, been on quarantine. Maybe you're hungry, not going to the grocery store, make it crazy.
Postmating.
Or postmating. Seriously. So we can make it simple, we can make it easy. I'm gonna throw probably like 4 different sandwiches together, a bunch of different types of cheese to show you how easy it is to really be with your grilled cheese. And then maybe if you have a date one day, like I never do, you can just tell them, hey, you know, I'm making you some fancy cheese. You know what I mean? So let's get it.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
That's how you take care of a chef. Well, I got 2 pans out here on the stove. It's gonna be hot. Not that hot, but it's gonna be hot. So we got it ready to go. Alright? That's nice. No, rule number 1 in the kitchen. 2 things I always require you guys to do. Make sure you have a clean cooking surface, which I've already done. I cleaned the counter, cleaned the dishes, and now we're gonna do what?
Wash our hands. That's right.
Let's go.
I like cheese.
You're gonna learn today.
Okay. Look at the butter. I like cheese.
Butter bread.
You'll learn something new every day.
You don't butter your bread?
I like cheese. I don't eat bread.
Well, today, you're gonna learn.
Butter.
Butter, the butter.
I like cheese.
Alright, so you want to turn your pans on. I got 2 pans going right now because we obviously have multiple grilled cheese going to go on there. But you what?
I like cheese.
Oh, she hungry. We see what that is. Make sure you turn on the right.
Stove top.
You don't want to burn down your mama house. I'm telling you. And I know you live at home. Your mama just told me. You know what? I have a question. Did we see you wash your hands? On my show.
I did wash them. We're gonna sample this. I like cheese.
You've sampled every cheese so
Ooh,
far.
that is spicy. I need some water. She needs some milk.
He needs some milk.
Okay, your
I
pan.
did Swiss and Colby pepper jack. Okay, next sandwich, guys. Sandwich.
Sandwich.
Yeah. SANGWICH.
Oh,
Sandwich.
what?
Did I spell it right?
It's sandwich.
No, it's sandwich.
Sandwich.
Look, it's the Leaning Tower of Pisa.
This is the Leaning Tower of Pisa.
You're not gonna be able to take a taco later.
Okay, so when you're making grilled cheese, it's critical. You have your heat on medium heat for the pan. I would put it on. You hear the initial. Are you beating your bread? She's spanking her sandwich.
It's gonna be extra good now.
I would have on each side 3 minutes. Then you start watching the cheese. Now, if you put cheese on like she put cheese on, you'll see what it melts quick. Your grilled cheese sandwich should probably take 7 minutes maximum. That's on the high end. I like mine a little brown, you know, caramel complected like myself. Sometimes you have grilled cheese that's not all the way cooked, like this one. Okay. We got her grilled cheese sandwiches ready. That's what they look like. See how they taste while mine is cooking. We're gonna get this popping right now. It's the Grandmaster grilled cheese. Remember, each fool, baby.
Do you want your crust cut off too?
No, I like my crust on there.
Look at this. Oh, here we go. Look at. Wow.
Don't worry. Here it goes. Ready? We're gonna taste test her cheese. This is your sourdough. This is your buttermilk, right?
With provolone, and I think it was this one. Cheddar.
Not gonna lie, it's not bad.
It's the provolone. I like cheese.
I think at this point, grilled cheese is gonna just taste. It's not gonna be whose is better.
Wait. That's actually.
I'm so sorry.
That's a lot of cheese. I like cheese. Yours is gonna be too much.
This is cheesy.
This is actually really good.
Mmm.
Which one do you like better?
Mmm.
I like the. Get a slow mo like.
Absolutely terrible. Shout out to Capri Sun for never sending me any yet.
These are the type of sandwiches he really eats. And you're supposed to be teaching me, but I think I'm teaching you with less.
Nah.
The pepper jack's low-key fire. Got a little kick to it.
Hello. Kick, now kick, now kick, now kick. Now walking by yourself, now walking by yourself.
Dude, your bread is burnt.
Don't worry about mine.
Don't worry about it.
She's
Don't
still
worry
hasn't
about it,
melted.
sweetheart.
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about
I'm
it.
gonna wait
So
for it.
while we're waiting for my grilled cheese to get ready, check this out. All right. We have our beans from the Bean Boozled Challenge. You already know.
I got the beans. Beans.
I got the beans. I'm a gentleman, if you don't already know, so I'm gonna go ahead and say ladies first. Pick your jelly belly. All right, we're gonna do this one first.
This one is either barf or peach.
Bar for peach.
Cheers.
Cheers. Either chocolate pudding or canned dog food. No, ladies first. I'm a gentleman. You can't sniff. Are you a dog? I hope it backfires. Cheers. Oh my god. That's what you get. Yo, that was absolutely terrible.
I have a question.
What's up?
What's your favorite flavor, beef or chicken?
Chicken. I'll let somebody else have the beef. Let's just.
Negative.
It don't have to pull away. Oh yes, ladies and gentlemen.
It's like the whole cheese is sliding out. You're not even eating any of it. But I'm saying it's not even. You're gonna.
Mmm. This is so good.
You're lying.
So much.
Too much. I like cheese. I'm making a specialty grilled cheese for all the chuntis out there.
What's a chunti?
Chunti.
What's a chunti?
Like the Mexican girls that always eat hot Cheetos.
Wow. You learn something new every day.
Secret ingredient, hot Cheetos. Is that the one with all the cheese? I like cheese.
They
Or is it
both
that
have
one?
all the cheese.
Now let me try your nasty ass sandwich. Dude. I like cheese. Seriously? Half the cheese came out. Okay.
Fire, right?
Their toast is so hard.
It's crunchy, you know.
No.
It's too much butter on buttermilk.
I like cheese.
Mmm.
Do you really like it though?
It's delicious.
A few moments later.
More cheese is not the optimal rule for a grilled cheese sandwich.
So,
I can tell you
I'm
right
up
now.
10 points.
I can tell you right now, for a man who has a stomach ache.
We should have bought Pepto-Bismol.
I'm gonna go back to what I know. The safe food.
Limon. Back to what he knows. Oh my. Wow. The hot Cheetos.
Coronavirus! Coronavirus!
That's fire. You're a liar. It's so good. Whatever.
So I'm not gonna lie, I almost died.
Liar.
Violence? Not gonna lie, my grilled cheese wasn't as great as I thought it was gonna be. I figured the more cheese the better. Crystal definitely out grilled cheesed me today.
With this one too.
As far as presentation,
Okay, you want to talk about presentation? Look at this. I like cheese.
hello. As far as presentation on her Chunti grilled cheese, I'm not gonna lie, it's definitely different. It's not bad.
I'm not even like
It's
lying.
not bad. So, lesson of the day today,
Less is more.
less might be more.
Here, look again.
As always, you already know, DJ HeartAttak here, aka Chef HeartAttak, aka
Robbie.
Host with the most, aka the boss, like Rick Ross. Excuse me, Minnie Mouse in here. Stay tuned. Like, subscribe, comment below.
I won.
If you're actually gonna want to try this, if you actually try this, please comment below. Let me know.
If you want to hire me for any events, comment below.
Please, because she needs a job. She's irritating.